That price tag you just saw for a blockbuster game, maybe it was $10 for that Norse god epic, or $15 for the latest open world masterpiece. It is a total trap. You see it on your screen and your heart jumps. You think you finally found the ultimate shortcut. But these sites are not selling you a game. They are selling you a ticking time bomb. Every single month, thousands of people hand over their money thinking they are getting a standard digital code. What they actually get is a set of login details for a stranger's account. Let that sink in for a moment. You are paying to log into a foreign profile, and that is where the nightmare begins. This specific website tells you to make this random account the primary one on your system. It sounds like a clever little trick, but it is a massive violation of the rules you agreed to when you first set up your console. The platform holders are incredibly strict about this. Their legal terms explicitly forbid buying, selling, or sharing account details with anyone. This is not some minor detail buried in the fine print. It is a rule they enforce with a heavy hand. If you get caught, and they have automated systems designed to find this exact behavior, you are not just losing the money you spent. You are risking a permanent hardware ban. That means your entire console, the machine you spent hundreds of dollars on, becomes a useless plastic brick. You can no longer go online. You cannot access your own digital library. You are locked out of the ecosystem forever. And the site itself? They have built a warranty system that is practically designed to fail you. They claim you are covered for 5 years. But look at the restrictions. You are not allowed to log out of the account they gave you. You cannot delete the game to make room for something else. If your console breaks or if you decide to upgrade to a newer system, the game is gone. Your money is gone. There are no transfers. There is no mercy. If you break even one of these tiny, ridiculous rules, they terminate your warranty and lock you out. The people who have actually used this service are telling a very different story than the flashy advertisements. They report games working for a few weeks, and then suddenly, the lock icon appears. When they try to contact support, they get met with hostility. Some users have even been threatened. The company tells them that if they keep asking for their money back, they will report the user's personal account to the platform holders themselves. It is a level of predatory behavior that is honestly shocking. This whole operation is run by a company based out of London. They are taking features designed for families to share games in one house, and they are weaponizing it for profit. They are selling access to things they do not even own. It is a digital house of cards, and you are the one who is going to get buried when it falls. Saving a few dollars on a big title might feel good in the moment, but it is the most expensive mistake you can make. The risk to your hardware is real. The risk to your personal account is massive. Do not let the low prices blind you to the fact that you are being sold a stolen experience. Stick to the official stores. Wait for a legitimate sale. It is the only way to make sure your library and your console stay safe from these shady operations that disappear the moment things get difficult. These investigations take time, and they matter, because nobody wants to see their hard-earned money go to a scam. Stay sharp. Keep questioning those deals that feel too good to be true, and I will catch you on the next one.